Hey, what's going on these gravel roads and these paved streets? My name is Keisha and I am a homesteader. I Googled it and so I'm not really supposed to be tilling while it's wet. So therefore I'm just going to go ahead on and plant the beans. I'm probably going to put some landscaping fabric down, cloth, and then put them in pots and then make like a little trellis or something. I'm still kind of figuring out what I'm gonna do as I go. So this is total winging it. Try to kill most of it. I'm gonna let the fabric do the rest. That looks pretty even to me. Good morning. It is the next day, and I know y'all probably thinking to yourself, "Winch, you didn't get that stuff done yesterday." No, I did not. But anyway, we're going to continue today. I was trying to kind of get my thoughts together because I really didn't know what I wanted to do for a trellis, but I have these poles. Let me go get one. So I have these poles and they came from off a canopy and it broke. So, I kept some of the poles. And so what it does is it just snaps into this part snaps into that hole. And so I'm going to, drill holes in the ground and then put the pole inside of it like so. Put it down off in there, and then I'm gonna connect the other one to it. Let's see. Matter of fact, I probably need to do it like this. Okay, yeah. And then I will take some wire, some bendable wire, and connect my fish. I mean, not a fish, chicken wire. I'm gonna connect chicken wire to it. So this is a chicken wire. And so, like I said, I'm going to use wire to connect it to wrap around the poles and connect this. Okay. I drilled one hole, but I kind of gotta put it together to see where exactly the next hole is supposed to go. This is the first pole. So I'm going to push this down and try to line it up with the hole and then it's tapped in place. Now I just got to run the pole across here. Yeah, I had ran out of space on my phone. I had went to Paris this weekend and had me a good old time. And I don't mean Paris, France. I mean Paris, Tennessee. They have the world's largest fish fry, and your girl love her some catfish. So therefore, I was out and about roaming the town. I actually didn't think there would be anything to do in Paris, Tennessee, but I actually had a good time. So I'm gonna snap it in place. It was just in the wrong. Dang on it. Staying there tight. Nap the next. Dang on it. Come on. I don't know why somebody had to die. But it looks like just gotta snap the other one. I might trade that one I did out for this one because I only have one open end. I don't really like open ends, so I might use some spray foam down off in there because wasps will get down in there. I'll be over there fiddling, faddling, don't know that it's over there, and I'm allergic to wasps. Stung, I have to run in the house, be out of commission for 2 days. I was trying to see if it was a recording. I got short arms. So I'm gonna put it in this first hole. I'm gonna say this side seems taller, but that's because I ain't got it in the hole. I feel like Sanford and Son, you big dummy. I'm gonna drill the next hole. My pants keep coming down because, you know, I'm out here with coyotes and by myself most of the time. So, I gotta keep a pow pow on. Put pow pow down. Ooh, a tripod almost fell. Anyway, now I just gotta hook the wire up to it, and she done. I gotta gently try to remove these because I do not want to break it. It's all through the wire. So try to pull it out one by one. There. Now I gotta get around this. Okay. The cats were just over here messing with me. They running off, but they better find them something safe to do because this ain't it. Work hard on it. All right, you can see how the other plants, how they're healthy, and then this one right here is like a little weeping willow. Well, thank you guys for watching, but y'all know I'm gonna have to trespass you, right? I'm gonna need y'all to get off my land.
Next time on Just Asking for a Friend.
Last night we had a storm to come through here and wreak havoc. Right now I am in the dark. Well, it's daylight, so I'm not totally in the dark, but there's no power.